YouTube. Today I'm gonna do a lip tutorial again since the live stream was way too sunny out there, if you know what I mean. Sorry about the part that you can't see the lip. By the way, it was so too bright and and you guys can't see what device I'm doing. So I'm gonna redo it with all my supplies. And I want to show you something. So these are all my supplies. I'm going to use it for my secret ingredient on my lip for, oops, sorry with the finger on the camera. That would be a new catchphrase, don't you think? Alright, head on to the and if you guys see the face, I found the mask. Yay! I'll put the link down below for Q&A questions if you want to go watch it again to reveal my face again. Anyways, without further ado, let's on with bright pink. Or shall I say, too bright, too pinky. The first instructions that we are doing is cream makeup. Or we could go with both foundation or cream. Let's go with both ingredients from my lip. Let me zoom in for the camera. Alright, let's go with my lip. Let's go with the cream makeup. Just to be clear, it looks like white powder or paint. Let's mix this up. Oops. Oh! Got it. Sorry. Let's go mix it up. Oh! I'm gonna mix the foundation. Foundation's next. Ooh, I look good with white makeup lip. Oh, God. I sound funny. Alright, we're gonna take a break for a minute. Alright, I'm back. Let's go. Oops, sorry if you annoy here. Let's go with the hand cream. Oh, where's the. Oh, okay. Hand cream. Hand cream. Hand cream. Why am I keep repeating that? I don't know. This is like so bizarre and confused at this point. Alright, let's leave it right there. Good job. And rub it for about a minute. It looks so flawless. Ooh, I'm feeling soft. And I'm gonna use a tissue or toilet paper or paper towels if you want to use it for any mistakes or something like that. Oh, and quick moment before we get started for our next instructions, I want to give a big shout out to Juliet Calderon. She told me to do this makeup tutorial thing, but I have to go with lip tutorial. Ow, it's burning. I'm gonna do it with lipstick and lip balm. We're getting there. Except I missed the spot. Why do I keep making it? Wow, I'm like, oh my god, I'm super good. Anyways, let's move on. We're gonna take this, just to be clear, that's Frozen lipstick balm. Let's go. If you want to choose some of the items, like this character, It doesn't matter. Ooh, I'm getting there. Alright, let's go with the lip crayon. Ooh, lip crayon. I don't know what that means. Why is mine not twisting? Grr! Ta-da! Alright, for our final step is going to be lipstick. Right, lipstick. We're almost done, babies. You have to take both lipsticks to combine with the colors. Just to be clear, I learned it from Sometimes on YouTube tutorial. Hey guys, we're done with the lip tutorial. Just to be clear, clear. I lost the mask, but this looks bright. Does it look bright, you guys? We're done with the tutorial. I had to go.